Hello, children. Welcome back. New day, new beginning. Let us begin with the thought for the day. Today's thought is related with time. An inch of time is an inch of gold. But you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold. It's a Chinese proverb. It means you must have heard the proverb. Time is money. We all know that time is, or rather, time is more than precious than money, because money, if lost, can be earned again, but the time that is not spent properly may not be called back again. We cannot reverse the time. The time once gone is gone forever. So utilize your time properly, and the poem that we recited yesterday tells us the same thing, that do your things at a proper time. I hope you all have understood the poem very well. So please be ready with textbook page number 20, things to do. Let us discuss, and then you can write the question answers in your notebook. Things to do, time for everything. First question. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. When is it the time for sleep? Question number B. What is meant by there is a time for everything you do? And the third one. Who should do everything at a proper time? Check the correct answer. 3 options are given: children, grown-ups, and both. Let us see what are the answers. When is it the time for sleep? Some of you might be sleeping, some of you might end the day at around 9 o'clock, some might be going to bed at around 9:30. So the time for sleep is at the end of the day. But I hope you end your day early and you don't keep yourself awake late at night. It's always good to go to bed early and rise up early. We all know early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy, and wise. So, first answer, when is it the time for sleep? The time for sleep is at the end of the day. Next question. What is meant by there is a time for everything to do? As discussed, but still I'll repeat, it means whatever you do it at a proper or appropriate time. You do many activities around the day. Right from the time you wake up, cleaning your bed, making your bed, folding the bed sheet, isn't it? These all activities we start. Then brushing up the teeth, doing some exercise, having your breakfast, your studies, and other activities, playing, watching TV, reading something. All these activities we all are supposed to do at proper or appropriate time. We want to be successful, we want to be healthy, fit, fine, and happy in our life. The mantra, as I told you yesterday, is becoming a punctual person and doing the things at the proper time, appropriate time. Now, who should do everything at correct time? Children, grown-ups, both. Time for everything mantra applies for all, because we all are occupied, we all do many activities, and doing everything at the correct time is applicable for children. For grown-ups, that is, answer is both. Moving on to next question. Question number 2. One line in the poem contains its message in short. Write down that line. That line is, there is time for everything you do. Just now we have discussed why it is important to do the things at the appropriate time. So, the key line, the message that the poem gives us is there is a time for everything you do. In short, do your things at proper and appropriate time only. Question number 3, 2 columns they have given. What we are supposed to do in this poem, time means a suitable or proper time for doing certain things. Match the occasions in A with the actions in B. When you have to catch your opponents in a game of tag, there are 4 options. Game of tag, what are you going to do to catch your opponent? Will you talk? Will you run? Will you be silent or will you walk? Of course, you will run and catch your opponent, isn't it? When you are on a crowded street, we are not supposed to run on a crowded street. We have to just walk. When somebody has asked you a question, we have to answer. That is, it is the time to talk. And the last occasion, when you are in a library or hospital, you all know the first rule of library, keep silent. As well as when we go to hospital to visit anybody, we are not supposed to talk. We need to be silent. So here are the answers. When you have to catch your opponents in a game of tag, action is time to run. When you are on a crowded street, it is time to walk. When somebody has asked you a question, time to talk. And when you are in a library or hospital, time to be silent. Question number 4, I am giving you as homework. Try to find out the meanings of the following from a dictionary. 9 times out of 10, no time like the present, a stitch in time saves 9. Just try to find out. If you are not able to do, tomorrow I am going to give you the answers. So don't worry, try to find out. Otherwise, tomorrow I will be providing you the answers of ABC. Find the meaning of the following using a good dictionary. So, whatever written work I have given you, write down in your notebook. Read and recite the poem once. Question number 4 is for homework. Try to find out. If it is not possible, tomorrow we will discuss the answers. So, let us meet tomorrow in the next teaching period. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.